Hi guys, and welcome back to the Bright Tech Vision channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can turn your articles into video using InVideo. So InVideo is a video editor where you can create your own videos and use different templates that InVideo has. There is a free version and there is a pro version, and you can, with the free version, you're limited to what you can do, and there's like watermarks on the video that you create. So I highly recommend that you get the pro version, which is $30 a month. However, there is a promotion that you can use in terms of getting a discount, which is Honey 50. So if you use Honey 50, all capitals, and this number and the number 50, you can see it here, Honey 50, you can get your 60% off for your monthly with InVideo. And InVideo is very useful for video editing. There's a lot of things you can do with it, and I highly recommend that you get just the pro version and use a discount code. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you how you can convert your articles into video, where it generates a video for you based on the article that you create. So we're in the InVideo dashboard, and what you want to do is you got text to video here, which you want to click. So if you click that one, you can see different templates here that you can create for your video, and there's a lot of different templates you can find. You can see different templates here. You can see text to video. So these templates that are suggested here are ones that you can convert into from text to video. So let's say I want to do like a financial video, for example this one here. So I click this template, and this is the one I'm interested in, and you can choose your orientation. You can have your landscape, square, portrait. If you're making like a TikTok video, you can do portrait. Landscapes for mostly creating like a YouTube video. So you want to click that one. You want to use this template, and what you want to do is just wait for this one, and you want to add a headline. So here I already have a article that I want to use, and it's about the economy. So what you want to do is I'll copy this title and I'll make this the headline. So you can just copy that one, add in whatever headline you like, and paste that in. And here in this section here is where you add all your articles here. And what you want to do is you just want to copy the whole thing, your whole article here. So just copy that, and what you want to do is just paste that into InVideo. Just paste that in. So here you can see the article here, and what this will do is it will generate basically much a storyboard for the articles. Here if you have this one on, it will just auto suggest images and videos for your content, your article. So if you click next, what we'll do is to generate a video template for the article that you created. So you click next. What it says here, hey, that's too much text for one scene, do you want to rearrange it? And what you want to do is continue anyways. You can just rearrange that later on. You can see that for the storyboard later. So we're just waiting for this one to load, and I'll show you what it looks like after, and you can see how you can edit it from there. So once this one finishes to load, you can see your script on the left side, and you can see your video here. Now you can drag and drop medias for different sections here. You can put images by adding it here, images section. You got free images here on InVideo, which you can add in here. And so basically what it's done from the script that you put in there is it segmented it into different categories. So as you can see, there's like 5-second storyboard for each one, and you can see that segmented it for each clip, and you can make your edits here, add in, change a few things. But if you're happy with this one, all you need to do is just download it, and you can preview it all here before you do that. If there's something you're not pleased with, you want to change, there's like a lot more text on one section, you can remove this one. You can actually edit if you need to. You can edit those specific clips. So I just click edit there, and we can see what we can do with that specific one. So this is just for that specific storyboard, and you can edit that one here by adding different layers. I can add in sound, shapes, or whatever that might be. And yeah, so this is more of a, so this one segmented in that specific storyboard section, which you can edit the scene, add in music or whatever you might have. But for the purpose of this one, we go back to the main storyboard. And yeah, so this is pretty much you being able to create your own video from the script you added. and you can add in your images here, you can cut a few things, you can duplicate the storyboards, and that's completely up to you. So after that, you can do the edit here. So this pretty much just simplifies the process of you editing the video. And once you've done that one and you're happy with that one, you can preview it all here. Usually this takes a while depending on how fast your connection is. So you can see my video is 4 minutes and 18 seconds long, and you can preview the video here, as you can see from the script. And usually this is just the whole animation, the whole transition, everything. And if you just want to change like different sections of it, you can do that here. But you can just play around with this one. But if you're happy with this one, you can just exit this and you can download it, which you can download depending on the quality you like. Download that one and just export it, and it should export that one, so just wait for that. And you can wait for this one to render. This is the offer for InVideo. So the beauty of InVideo is just it's quick. If you want to make a video really quickly based on the script you have, and then just add it on, it saves the hassle from having to edit, add in a few text, and InVideo just simplifies the process of it. So I do highly recommend you get the pro version. The free version limited to what you can do. There are watermarks. Like I said, you can use the Honey 50 when you sign up for InVideo to get your discount. And yeah, so that's pretty much the process of creating your article, using your article to make it into a video on InVideo. So if you like that whole process and if you enjoyed the whole process, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, just leave them in the comments below. And hopefully this has helped you all with regards to how you create a video. And I'll see you all later in regards to this one. Bye guys.